welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to add music to your background like you can hear in this video. So I'm going to be teaching you how to add music to your background and also how to make it high at one point and make it decrease, and also how to make it normal, like on a normal level, like you can hear the background music and you can still hear my voice. So I'm going to be teaching you that in this video. So don't forget to follow this channel, like this video, share and comment. Tell me if you find this video helpful, and also tell me what you would like to learn, like if there's anything any difficulties you're having in editing, just let me know and I'll teach you and help you tackle that up. And do you know the most interesting thing about this video? I'm going to be sharing with you something nobody will tell you, like something no one is going to tell you. Yes, you know, most times people don't add music to their background because they are scared. They'll be like, what if YouTube puts copyright on my video? What if they put me on a strike and all that? So I'm going to be teaching you an easy way, in short, a very reliable way to add music to your background, and I bet you YouTube is not going to put copyright on your video and they're not going to strike you for doing that. So this is a very easy way, very easy way. So I'm going to be sharing that with you in this video. That's all for now. So let's get straight into editing. Yes, let's go and do what we know how to do best: editing.
So guys, first thing to do, as you can see, this is the video you just watched earlier, right? So we're going to edit it together. So the first thing you want to do is click on this audio over here. So when you click on audio, you click on sound. After clicking on sound, it's going to show you different options to choose from. So these are the different sounds you can choose from, but mind you, most of these sounds here carry copyright. Like it could just make YouTube give you a copyright strike, and you wouldn't want that, right? So to be on the safer side, this is what I do. So let me share this little trick with you. You click on this search over here, you click on YouTube music, and then you click on search, right? So when you click on it, it's going to show you different sounds you can use on YouTube. So mind you, these sounds, when you use them on YouTube, there's no way you get a copyright strike. So you could just choose any one of these sounds. You could just listen to it and then know the one you like and pick it. So you could use, as you can see, there are different varieties of these sounds over here, right? So let's use this one over here. So let me click on this, right? So let's listen to it.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel.
So I like this sound over here. So what's next after this? You know, if you listen attentively, when I was making this video, right, the point where I said make the sound in the background increase. So we are going to look for that point and then split it. So let's check
how to make it high at one.
So this was where I said how to make it high at one point. So I'm going to split it over here, and then I'll look for that part where I said and low, like make it decrease. So I'll look for that part
and make it decrease.
So this was where I said make it decrease. So I'm going to split here as well. So for this part, I said it will increase, right? So I'm going to increase the volume of this part. So after I must have reduced the volume of this part, right? Let's go back to this part. So this part, I don't really want the background music to be louder than my voice because I want my audience to hear what I'm saying, right? So I'm just going to make the background music like lesser, like lower than my own voice. So I'm going to reduce the volume of this background music. So 7
hey
will
friends,
do.
Welcome back to my channel.
So I'm just going to reduce it. So listen.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video,
so you see my voice is louder than the music in the background, right? But in this particular place where I said make it increase, it is now high, right? And then for this place now, I said make it decrease, right? So let's listen. So I'm going to split it here where I said make it decrease, right? Then I'm going to reduce the volume to 0. So let's listen. So if you notice something, right, they like my voice is not actually loud in this particular place. So first thing I like to do when before editing my video, right, if you want the voice, like the sound on this first video to like, if you want it to like be very loud, what you're going to do first of all is to increase the volume. So you're going to have to increase the volume. So we're going to increase the volume right now. So I forgot to do that, but let's do it right now. So let's increase the volume.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel.
So I've increased the volume of this one, right? Then at that point where I said make it go high, let's check for that part.
And make it decrease.
So at this point, right, I said make it go like
1 point.
Make it high at 1 point, right? So what I'm going to do here now, if you like listen to this video, you see that you like the audience did not hear what I said in this particular part clearly.
And make it decrease.
So what I'm going to do here, like after splitting this thing, what you're going to do, you put this line in between that part that you splitted, right? Then you click on fade. So let's look for fade. So click on audio first of all, and then click on this, and then you see fade, right? So you click on fade. So this fade now, in this fade there's fade in, fade out. So what's the use of this fade in? When you drag this fade in, right, you know, you wouldn't want the music to just start from nowhere and then end just like that. You want it to enter, like to come in little and then increase, like it will come in like little and then increase and then goes down back, like it will make it interesting. So that's what we want to achieve here. We don't want it to just come anyhow and then go anyhow. So that's not what you want to do, because you know the main purpose of editing is to make the video interesting, not boring. So after doing that, you're going to, after dragging the one for the fade in, you drag the one for the fade out as well. So let's
point high at 1 point and make it decrease. And also how to,
so in this place where I said make it normal, right, what I'm going to do here is to just reduce the volume a little, like a little. I'm going to reduce it
how to make it
enough. So I'm just going to reduce it a little. So listen.
And also how to make it normal, like on a normal level, like.
So as you can see, you can't like, you can hardly hear the music in the background, right? But if you feel like you want the audience to hear the music in the background at this point, you could also increase it a little.
So how to make it normal?
So let's see when we increase it a little. So you can increase it a little. Let's listen.
So how to make it normal, like on a normal level, like you can hear the background music and you can still hear my.
So you see, this is just the trick on how to add music to your background.
So friends, we've come to the end of today's tutorial. So don't forget to let me know in the comment section if you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also if you're yet to subscribe, then please do so now so that you don't get to miss out on any updates, because I'll be posting more and more videos on editing. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.